To remove the screen frame,
How to?
must be very careful not to break our LED display screen, huh?
There is a lock.
Because delicate this LED screen. Just one by one, remove the clip and carefully,
How to open screen lock?
yes, carefully lift up. Okay, hold this. Okay, because this is a very fragile work, the screen, very delicate. Removing one by one the clip. That's it. Clip now is almost done. We will put up and carefully lift up this frame. Okay. Cannot. We have to see here. To look on this, the lock. Not easy to open this because you prevent to break the glass. I cannot see the clip. Clip is here. Why? I cannot put up. Maybe the glass will slide down. Very clever this Samsung. Not easy to open. Very long again explanation. I cannot see because I'm aware of this glass. Oh my gosh, I'm very careful. Maybe I have to put up again. This. Oh, really remove. There you go. The lock is here. I'm very careful because it might drop the panel, screen panel. Okay, now it's coming out. Why this is locking? Okay, success, but it's very critical. Now we have to remove the screen panel. Be careful not to break. It's a very expensive screen panel. Put aside. Okay. Then remove the diffuser. Diffuser time to remove. Takes time to remove. It's really not easy to repair a flat screen television. It takes time before you succeed. What are you looking for me? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yes, open. Open.
No, not open.
No.
Wala. Oh. Yan. Wala pa tong nagpa-vlog kami. Now it's time to remove the diffuser. Diffuser have 3 layers. This only 2 layers in the Samsung 32 inches. Many more to remove. They put tape. Okay. It must be returned this in the same place. Now you can see the backlight. These are the backlights. I will put power to see what's happening on the backlight. But you have to tape this to avoid damage of the motherboard. Just try to see what's wrong on the backlight. Okay guys, I put protection so that it will not get short circuit. Now the backlight connection is from the power supply. I will put the power on. I will put power so that we will see what's the backlight color appearance. Okay, power is there now. Look. Oh, you see there? Some are blue, some are clear. At the middle, all are clear backlights. The both sides are mixed, clear and blue. Blue, 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 blue. Okay. This is from the backlight problem. We have to replace it by the good one. There, we need to open also that one. Later on, we will show you how will happen if successful on replacing these backlights. Must be all clear like this, the backlights. Okay, that's all, folks. This is the illustration why there is a bluish screen on the television, because of this mixed blue color. Blue, 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 and this. We will replace by that good one later on. Okay, folks. Please subscribe, share, and like for more ideas to repair the bluish problem on LED television. Thank you, guys. I hope this will give you more ideas on how to troubleshoot this problem. Okay, bye.
Part 3.
Okay.
Need part 3?
Yes, part 3. Because of the replacement.